Hello and welcome to another Grooveworks video. I'm Kieran Kuskopf, and today we're having a look at the single stroke 7, which looks like this. So this is another one of the single stroke rudiments, which means that the pattern is just alternating, and it's 7 strokes long. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the other way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rhythmically for the single stroke 7, we've got 2 16th note triplets plus a crotchet. So if you're practicing against a metronome or you've got some kind of a pulse going, it'll be 1 triplet per pulse, and then the last note will last for 2 pulses long, like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, rest. 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 So that's how you would practice that one back to back. Now hopefully by this point your single stroke roll is looking pretty even rhythmically and dynamically. You want this rudiment to look the same. So even rhythm, even dynamics. What I mean by that is you don't want your rhythm to be galloping or swinging like that. And you don't want one hand to be louder than the other, like that. You want it all to be nice and even. But once you've got all that under control, one other little practice tip I would suggest is actually accenting on the beat, which would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. It's just a cool little variation to practice, and one that you'll probably find you'll definitely use on the drum kit. Once you've got all that, this is another rudiment that really lends itself to speed. So see how fast you can push it. It can be a whole lot of fun getting this one down. And once you've got it looking pretty good on the practice pad, try it out on the drum kit, because there are endless applications for the single stroke 7. But we'll leave it there, and I'll see you next time.